Hi everyone, it's Erlene from Erlene Garcia Art, and I would like to share with you the process that I go through to make 3 or 4 dozen Father's Day cards for the shops and boutiques that I sell to here in Southern California. So basically, I took alphabet stamps in different fonts and sizes and basic black ink, and then I took two tea-dyed envelopes and opened it and stamped Happy Father's Day on them. And then I glued them on black cardstock. Wow, that came out so cool. So this was just leftover black cardstock that I had from making other cards. And what I'm going to do is cut out each one individually and make sure that they all line up and say Happy Father's Day. And then I will choose something from this magazine that I got at the junk store for $1. So there's a lot of men's custom tailoring and hats and suspenders that I can use as background for the cards. And then I will choose images that will make a great Father's Day card. And even the wife can give it to her husband because he's the dad of that awesome pooch. And then I found some shaving ads, underwear ads, and then what else did I find? Oh, I found all these really cool pictures of men that could be somebody's dad, like a pilot, a fireman, train conductor, maybe somebody's dad is a chef, a milkman, a millionaire, a shoe salesman, a car salesman, a policeman, or an FBI man. And what else did I find here? Oh, I have the Tim Holtz people, and I chose the kids, which I thought would be appropriate for the Father's Day. And then I found these chairs at Michael's for 29 cents. And I remembered that I had Tim Holtz people who could sit on them. So I should go back and buy some more chairs if they have any more left. I'm going to distress them so it will look like in the vintage era that I'm trying to design. And what do I have here? Oh, I have some talc powder, a picture of a shaving brush, and a mug, more talc powder. So once I blend all of these together, I should have enough for 3 or 4 dozen cards. And on the next video, I will show you how they turned out. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.